In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more money fast in Grow Garden 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get more money, what you need to do is first focus on buying and planting as many seeds as you possibly can. In order to do this, you're going to need some money. And I believe you start off with enough money just to get some strawberries. So go in and get some strawberries, harvest them, sell them. And once you get your payment, you need to go into the seed shop right here and find the most expensive thing that you can buy at the time, which it looks like for me would be just an apple because for whatever reason, this shop is not stocked up at all. But essentially, you just go through and purchase as many plants as possible. I like strawberries and blueberries to start out because they just endlessly keep on producing more. But as you get more, you want to focus on getting bamboo as fast as possible for two major reasons. Bamboo obviously grows up pretty high and it can be sold for a lot more since it weighs a lot more. But what you can also do is place these strawberries around the bamboo as well to increase the likelihood of the bamboo being struck by lightning. That in turn will make you a lot more money if you decide to sell that bamboo, but it also prevents other people from getting into your base and stealing as well, since other people actually cannot climb your own bamboo. But that is really the entire process. That's what I would do if I wanted to get money as fast as possible here in this game. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.